What's up, guys? Today is Tuesday. So today something happened which I'm going to explain, right? So yesterday Monday, I changed my own system, the way I'm trading now. Okay, yesterday Monday, I took a trade, right? But that trade, I took that trade on a live account. So I just decided to start taking trade on live account. The reason being that Derek sent me a message that I need to take a trade because I haven't taken any trade on my live account for the past 4 months. So they sent me a message that I need to take, even if it is one trade, I need to place a trade before this month ends. So I just decided to fund at least $10 so that I can be able to place one trade. So that $10, so something happened, right? So that $10, when immediately I deposited it, so I decided to just click on a buy or just place a trade. So after I placed that trade, I noticed that okay, maybe placing this trade alone will not really help me. So let me just try to take one full trade. If I hit SL, then I hit, and if I hit stop loss, take profit, I hit. So I planned it and then I looked for a setup and I saw an A plus setup. This setup is valid, as in 100% valid. So this setup, I'm going to share with you the setup on my screen, right? So, and I'm going to explain the setup. This setup is valid, but then I discover something else, something entirely, something that is not even the track I'm following right now. So one thing I discovered again is that I have not even started. I have not even started. So a lot of people think that strategy is the only thing that they need. Once they get the perfect strategy, they are okay and they will become profitable immediately. But with this particular $10, I noticed something entirely. So let me explain that. So this $10, right? So after I deposited this $10, and I saw this setup. This setup is an A plus setup already, and I'm targeting. I broke all my rules, as in I was targeting 1 is to 5, and my rule says target 1 is to 3. So I was targeting 1 is to 5. So immediately I placed that order, emotion started through. As in, I was so scared. I was thinking, especially when the market moved at least when I was making $8. Oh my goodness. Can you I will close the trade, re-enter again? As in I was just trading recklessly as if I have no plans. I have no trading plans, I have no rules. I was like, nah, 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 nah. I'm going through the wrong side. I need to come back and maintain this emotion side. The thing is that I want to change the whole thing to a situation whereby I will be trading live account so that I can manage my emotions and then my risk management, because at that level, at that emotion side and risk management side, I'm zero. But in my strategy, right? In my strategy alone, my technical analysis, I'm good at it. I'm good. I can tell you that I'm good at my technical analysis, but in the aspect of emotion and the rest, this is what I need to focus on right now. So I'm quitting this demo challenge now, looking for a way to deposit money and start fighting my emotion, because without life money, without me trading life, I can't fight my emotion. That is the main truth. Without me trading life, I can't fight my emotions. So what I need to do now is that I'm going to deposit life account. I'm going to deposit life account and then started trading this life account. I will deposit $200. If you can see up here, I have the rules there already. These are the rules. I've already marked out the plans. So that is the rule behind me. So with this my emotions, I'm going nowhere. If I'm not able to fight this emotion, trust me, I'm going nowhere. If it was on my demo, I'll be calm, allowing this trade to run. So this trade himself, I closed at 1 is to 2, but it's not really 1 is to 2 because I took the first buy when market is moving in my direction. I was so scared that this market is going to reverse. I even moved to break even, but I was not okay. I was not really okay with that break even. I said, what if I lose all this money that I have been making? I immediately closed. After I closed, I said that market is moving in my direction. I entered the game. Oh God. To be honest, this is not trading. That is not trading. That is not trading. I need to work on my emotions. I need to work on my psychology and the rest. So I will be sharing with you the analysis of this particular trade. But first, this video is strictly only for explaining what really happened yesterday. And to crown the whole thing up, This morning I have successfully blown the account. But yesterday I withdraw $10, which is the initial amount I deposited because I like withdrawing. So I withdraw $10 and my first time withdrawing from the Reef indices. So I just withdraw the $10 that I deposited, and then I was left with $20 to trade, which is the 1:2 that I closed the trade on. So this morning the same thing happened. I was like, I just forced the trade and then click on buy without even calculating my roll. Just click on buy and on sell. This is on sell, but the first one yesterday is on buy, then this one is on sell. I just click on sell, and immediately the market was trying to. And normally I don't even like trading on the 5-minute time frame, right? Because the 5-minute time frame print a lot of false information. So yes, I still notice this thing that the 5-minute time frame prints a lot of false information. So I'm going to do away with the 5-minute time frame and focus on only the 15-minute time frame, right? So today, that amount, that $20 that is left, that my profit I made yesterday has been taken away from me. I lost it. I blew the account. Now I'm left with $5 before 0.99 cents on my account. But the only thing is that I withdraw the $10 initial deposit, right? So I'm happy. So I'm going to explain it to you how I was able to see the trade, and then the result is for the technical analysis. But this video is strictly for the emotion video. Alright, so thank you and peace out. What's up, guys? So let me explain to you the trade that I took. The first trade I took, and then the second one I also took, that made me blow that $10 account, right? Already I've already told you that I withdraw $10, which is the initial amount I deposited, right? So the other $20 that is left in the account, I blew it the next day, right? So now let me explain the whole chart and the chart that I took that blew the account, right? So let's go. So this is on the 4-hour on the first trade that I took, the A plus setup trade, right? So this trade is an up trade already, as you can see here. It's an up trade, and then this is my 4-hour demand level. I'm waiting for market to come back to mitigate, right? So, and also this is the liquidity level that market need to take out before tapping my 4-hour demand level, right? So market successfully tapped it and then move aggressively to the upside, as you can see here. Market successfully tapped it and then you can see move aggressively to the upside. So immediately it tapped, I moved straight to the 15-minute time frame for confirmation and entry, right? So these are the 15 minutes. I'm coming. This is on the 15 minutes, right? So this was what I was looking at for. As you can see, I analyze again. So every time frame I normally do my analysis again, right? So this is on the 15-minute, I do my analysis again, right? This is a break of structure followed by another break of structure, which is the recent break of structure before tapping my 4-hour demand level, right? So immediately it tapped. This is a high probability trade on again. So immediately it tapped my 4-hour demand level, right? You can see this impulsive move to the upside, giving me a market structure shift at this region here. So after this market structure shift, I was expecting market to come back to tap the 15-minute demand level that give us that market structure shift, right? Which is this level here, right? So market took some time, some hours, I'll be some days before coming back to mitigate my 15-minute demand level, right? So immediately it tapped. This is when I entered the trade. My God, immediately I entered this trade, right? That's when I know that my emotions aspect is not okay. I'm not really balanced about emotions, and then my trading psychology is not okay, right? So my strategy is already okay with me. I'm fine by this strategy. I can go with this 30 to 40% win rate strategy, right? So this is the first trade, right? This trade, as you can see here, this trade hit us on 1:3, but when market get to this black line here, this horizontal line here, I first closed. Immediately it broke. I first closed because I saw another pin bar rejection, and I thought the market is going to go against me. And already I'm making about $11, right? So I closed immediately, and then I noticed the market pushed up again aggressively. So this retracement again, I entered again. So I was just trading recklessly. I was trading with emotions, as in I'm not okay, I'm not balanced. So that's why I need to fight my emotion. But at the end of the day, I was able to secure 1:2 before market finally right. So I need to be fast on this, right? So the second one, the first trade I have explained it, and then this is the second trade, right? So this trade is a counter trading opportunity, right? And again, this trade, I'm not even following my trading strategy, right? So um this new move is not on the chart. Before when I took the trade, this new move was not on the chart, so I'm just going to go from here, right? So I'm just going to go from here. This was when I took the trade, right? So I'm just going to go from here, right? So I noticed that on this particular region here, market just broke structure, and market need to come back to this 1 hour demand level before buying, right? And then this is also a liquidity I was expecting market to take out. But if you go to the 15-minute time frame, if you go to the 15-minute time frame, right, I'm not seeing any opportunity to counter this trade on the 15-minute time frame. So you see the box I marked. So that was when this was the area where I took the trade, right? On the 15-minute time frame, this should even be the level I should have take this trade on, but I was too focused on making money because it's my first time depositing live money after trading demo for 4 months, right? So I was so eager to take trade on a live account, and then I forced this trade, right? I'm just trying to do rally based drop based drop on this particular trade, right? So the 15 minutes is not giving me a clear confirmation, and again I should have known that my trading, whenever I'm countering a trade, I should only focus on the 15-minute time frame, because that is the only level that is giving us pure uh, level, strong level to counter trade from. So but this one, I broke that rule and go, and I started countering this trade from the 15-minute time frame. And again, I was trading with full of emotions on this particular trade. I'm not going to lie, this trade is more about emotions trade, because imagine me just it's not about the strategy, right? It's about the emotions on this particular trade, because what I noticed is that on this level here, so you see that market is giving us some rejection. I entered the first one. I'm supposed to put my stop loss above here, but my stop loss was very tight. I was risking $5, right? And then I just placed my stop loss somewhere here, where the cursor, where the cursor is now. Somewhere here, and market easily mitigate me. I entered again instead of me to wait for this market to play out and then look for another setup. I entered again, making me blow that $10, that the remaining $20 the next day. So I lost $20 on this particular chart here. This just because of this nonsense here. I was trading with full of emotions, just trading recklessly on this particular. Even the first one is better than this one, right? Because this one, this one only took me 2 candles for me to blow the account, and those 2 candles did not even close. Immediately I enter, we just go tap me out. I enter again, we just go tap me out. You see, so this candle is very, yeah, I just traded recklessly on this particular trade. There's no need of me even taking trade like this, because my strategy is not anything concerned like this. Rally based rally, no, I'm not using it. I have not used it before. My own is just supply and demand. That was what I used, but I find out about this one recently, so I decided to try it instead of me trying it on the demo account first. I just trade recklessly, full of information, try to I don't know how I'm going to call this, but this thing is not going to repeat itself again, ever again. Now, if I deposit that money that I'm planning to deposit, I will trade rule-based trade, right? It's not going to be easy because I need to fight emotion. This is something new that I'm about to do. It's not going to be easy, but trust me, finger crossed, we are going to do it, and we are going to come out positive on this. So let's see. I will see you guys in the next video. So today is Saturday. So this trade was taken on Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, no trade. I haven't seen any opportunity since then, so I haven't taken any trade. And this is the only trade I took this week. So maybe next week we are going to see how this trade is going to be. So tomorrow this video will be dropped on my YouTube, right? So peace out, and please, if you find this content very interesting, please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can go to my social media, my other social media like TikTok, and then follow me, like my video. I normally post twice on my TikTok or 3 times on my TikTok weekly. Then on my YouTube, I post once or 2 times weekly. So you can try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my TikTok page. Thank you and peace out. See you next week.